GallStar TV, the premier bracket racing channel on YouTube, can accelerate your business growth and online presence in 2020. GallStar TV is much more than just a competitive drag racing team. GallStar TV is a growing brand that reaches over 12,000 people in the drag racing world every single day. Fans keep coming back to GallStar TV for the internet's best bracket racing content, race day vlogs, bracket racing tutorials, as well as product reviews. Don't take our word for it, take a look at what GallStar TV viewers have to say. When you're ready to partner up with more than just a race team, please reach out to me at the email address on the screen. I'd love to talk more about how GallStar TV can work for you both on and off the track.